Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on your MacBook. Since there isn't a native Mac OS version, the only way to enjoy this popular game is by using an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android device right on your computer, letting you access the Google Play Store and download your favorite mobile applications, including Subway Surfers, directly onto your Mac. To get started, you'll need to choose an Android emulator. Some widely used options are BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, all offering good compatibility with Mac OS. Before downloading, always check the emulator's system requirements. You'll typically need at least 4 GB of RAM and a reasonably powerful processor to ensure smooth gameplay and a great experience. Once you've chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer. The installation process is usually straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. After installation, launch the emulator and you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you'll find Subway Surfers. With your emulator set up, open the Google Play Store within its interface. Search for Subway Surfers and proceed with the installation, exactly as you would on an Android phone or tablet. Once installed, you can launch the game. You'll typically use your keyboard for controls, and most emulators allow you to customize these key bindings for a comfortable and personalized gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.